Hi, good evening, everyone. So we are group number 65 for LAX2013, and now we are recording group discussion number 2. Okay,
Are you sure there were
so my name is Kai Jing, Ong Kai Jing, and my metric number is 188070.
Okay, hi, my name is Chow Heng Yi and my matrix number 188257.
Hi, I'm Jia Sheng and my matrix number 181497.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Nur Shawal bin Maulan and my matric number is 193387.
Hi, my name is Irfan Afifi bin Abdurroni and my metric number is 193884.
So apparently one person is actually missing today. Again. His name is Ahmed Abdiraza Abdul. Yeah. So he has been absent for many times and
Not many times, all the time.
for all the videos until now, so we cannot do anything about it. Yeah. So we shall be discussing today. We'll be discussing about the mini documentary, about what kind of content that we want to actually put inside the mini documentary for the interview video interview video number 1, number 2, and number 3.
Okay, since that we've already done our 3 interviews, which is the first one is, his name is Afiq, the second one will be Keng Ming, Mr. Sim, and the third one would be Ain. So after this, we have already completed these 3 interviews, and now we are going to discuss how are we going to do our documentary and what are the info and what are the inputs that we're going to put inside our documentary. Yeah. Okay, guys.
So do you all still remember what they are doing after 5? From the first person until the last
Okay, I think Afiq was more towards the exercise part. He mentioned about how important it is to exercise, which I think that it's very important that we put that in the video because so that people will get to know, it's how the importance of exercise. Anyone can talk about Keng Ming, the second one?
Keng Ming, what he focused on is actually his part-time job and also basketball, right?
Yeah, part-time job and basketball.
Yeah. So how about the last girl?
Ain.
Yeah.
I'm more to MTM,
Yes.
because he's what we call, he's an MTM.
Busy
Yeah.
girl.
I busy
Technical,
girl.
right? Technical.
Yeah, in IT.
Too much work.
Yeah. So basically, she spends most of the time after 5 being MTM, sometimes until 4 o'clock, she says lah. So something that we can also highlight in the video. So let's repeat again. For the first interview, we will focus on exercising, sports, the benefits that Afiq has said in the first interview. For the second interview, we will focus on what Mr. Sim has told us, which is part-time job and also on basketball. And then the third interview, we will focus on her responsibility as an MTM. Yeah, after 5 p.m.
Okay, so besides of putting their parts inside, maybe we can add a little bit of a reflection, and maybe it's either we take we ourselves will record one of us to do like the reflection of the whole thing, or we can just put it into words. So what do you think? Because instead of putting just 3 videos, 3 of them, and that's it, is we should make it like an opening and a closing. So anyone has any idea for that?
An opening and a
Let's think
closing.
about it.
For the finishing, I think we can put the pictures of us as the closing, but the opening, about that? Maybe a little bit video of us
After 5. Then what you
and
do?
for the closing.
Yeah, maybe we can highlight what we ourselves do
Yeah.
after 5 as well,
I
and
know.
then include it
Because
inside the
before this,
video.
we just ask people what they do after, but
What we do after 5 is recording next movie, next video. Okay, yeah lah, for some times lah.
Yeah.
Not all the times.
Yeah, the behind the scenes. So, what else can we include in the opening and also the closing?
The opening, maybe we can do like, we just put words like, okay, so LAX 2013, is it? LAX
16.
2016. Eh,
Yeah.
2016.
2013.
2013.
Sorry.
Okay, so in the beginning, maybe we can add like a LAX2013, okay, and then all our members as usual. And after that, we put in this like, okay, so what do you normally do after 5? Then we put in their video in.
Yeah.
Okay, and then after that, like I said, we should do a reflection of the whole thing. Like, for example, maybe we can say that it's very important that we do not procrastinate and we be productive after 5 and not just sleep until tomorrow, something like that. Ulas, reflection.
Yeah, reflection. Very important. Because not just we will be preparing the documentary, we'll also have to create another reflection video after that as well. So maybe we can discuss the venue where we can do the mini documentary. Yeah, as we all know that we usually do all our interviews and all that in College Chancellor. So maybe we can try a new location, or we can choose to stay with College Chancellor lah. So what do you guys think?
So why don't we go to Bukit Expo?
For what?
Oh.
That's so hot.
But the scenery is quite beautiful, right?
The scenery is beautiful, but we need to find a place to edit lah.
Yeah, we need a silent place.
So the
actually.
place is only for editing.
Yes.
So we are going to do the editing together, right? Or by your own?
Yeah, of
Together,
course, I do it
together.
together. Because teamwork is very important.
Yeah.
Sure, the venue have Wi-Fi, right?
Not Wi-Fi is not necessary actually.
Because we just need to edit, and after
Yeah.
that only we can
Upload.
upload it later.
I can upload it. So where is the venue?
Let's just do it here, settle.
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
we just
Okay, there will be a what do you call that? A plug. So it's also quite convenient. And then, like I said, the place here, okay, very considered quite comfortable. And as usual, we record, so let's just do it here.
correct.
But I think we need to focus more on what's in the content. So,
So for a 10-minute video, we should break it down like how many minutes should we leave for the opening, how many minutes for the breakdown of the 3 interviews, and how many minutes for the closing as well.
I think the breakdown for each interview is around 1 to 2 minutes.
1 to 2 minutes, okay.
So there's about 5 minutes, let's say. So
Okay.
we need another 5 minutes for the opening
And closing.
I think the opening and closing doesn't have to be so long. We just need to focus more on the content,
Yes.
of what our interviewees said, and then the opening and closing is just maybe about like 1 minute each. So it's maybe 8 minutes.
So
for,
2 and a half to 3 minutes.
Yes, 2 to 2.5 minutes basically for each.
Interview.
Yeah.
I think to make it to cut the video, I think we can cut the opening, which is what we call introduction. Introduction. We changed the introduction with description about the interview.
Okay.
Not bad.
Give a little bit of a background from them, so at least you get an idea lah. So Irfan, do you agree?
Yeah, I agree with that.
What else can we talk about? Maybe we can, in the conclusion, we can also state whether we agree with their lifestyles after 5. What do we do besides the lifestyle? What activities that we do after 5? We can also agree with. After the 3 interviews, do we agree with their lifestyles after 5? Like maybe perhaps we can say that for Ayn, her lifestyle might be a bit too hectic, and to the point where she actually stays out until 4 a.m. It's actually quite very unhealthy compared to the first 2 videos where they emphasize on working and also exercising, which is more of a healthier option. Yeah.
But not to say that whatever that Ain did is wrong. It's just that we get to see and can understand different lifestyle. Maybe it works for her, but it doesn't work for everyone else. But of course, in a very generally it's unhealthy lah.
Yeah, generally it's unhealthy in the long term. Yeah.
Because now she's still young like us, so it's not a problem at all lah. Okay.
Okay.
So to sum it up, our video consists of an intro, the content, and also the conclusion. So the introduction, it will be more towards like the introduction of the team members, us, and also what about LAX, and also about our interviewees. The content will be interviewees, and then the conclusion will be like the conclusion of the whole video, something like that. Okay, so.
Alright.
Okay.
So that's all for our discussion video. Thank you so much for watching and do subscribe. Bye.
Thank you.